Hi everyone. Today we will learn about inequality. What is inequality? Inequality is a relationship between two values or expressions that are not equal to each other. There are four symbols of inequality. We will use them to graph the solution of a number line. On the number line. Okay, let's see the first one, which is greater than. If you see this sign, that means greater than. Next one is less than. Third one is greater than or equal to. We show greater than and also equal to. And the last one is less than or equal to. Now let's do the examples here. We have x is greater than 2. Let's show this on the number line. X, our unknown, it can be any number. It's not equal. When we were solving equations, we were, instead of equal sign, here we put inequality sign. Let's see x greater than 2. On this number line, let's count 1, 2. This is 2. And we have to know the notations. How do we put the greater? It's different than greater or equal to. For greater, we put the bubble empty. We call it open dot. So you circle this number 2 because it says it's greater than 2. You leave it open inside. And greater means to the right everything is greater than 2. So the answer can be anything greater than 2, but not 2. It doesn't say equal to. Let's do the next one. It says less than 1. This is our number 1. We make open dot. We not bubble inside. Less than, it goes all numbers less than 1 are to the left. All these numbers can be correct for this inequation. In first case, all numbers that are greater than 2 will be correct answers. Now let's do next one. Greater than or equal to. This is x greater than or equal to negative 3. Let's find negative 3 on this line. This is 0, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3. It says equal to. That means 3 also can be the answer. That's why we close that. We do close that here. We bubble it in different way, you can say. So all numbers are greater than or equal to negative 3. That means including negative 3, all numbers to the right can be correct answers. Let's do the last one with these symbols. X is less than or equal to negative 5. Let's find negative 5. Negative 1, 2, 3, 4. Negative 5 is here. It says less than or equal. That means 5 also can be the answer. We bubble it. We make close that. All numbers are less than, negative 5. Less than negative 5. All numbers are less than negative 5. So all numbers to the left can be, including negative 5, can be correct answers. Let's see what we have here. So we can do expressions with inequality sign or we can do equations instead of equal sign. It's almost the same thing. Instead of the equal sign, we put the symbol of inequality. Now we have x plus 7 is greater than 10. We're gonna solve this regular way as we solved equality. Instead of equal sign, we put inequality sign. In this case, we have greater than. Let's solve this. What we do? We do inverse of 7 to isolate our variable. It's minus 7 both sides. Minus 7. This one will be 0. 7 minus 7. And this will be 3. And this inequality sign remains the same here, and we bring down x. Let's see. We have now x is greater than 3. Let's make the graph, and we're gonna graph the solution on a number line. Our solution was x is greater than 3. Imagine this is our number line. We have 0 here, 1, 2, and 3 here. Okay, all numbers greater than 3, and it's only greater than. 3 is not the answer, so that's why we do open that, and all numbers greater than 3 are solution for this inequality. Let's do next one. We have here x minus 2 is less than 4. We're gonna do inverse operation here, plus 2 plus 2. This will become 0. This will become 4 plus 2 is 6. Our x is less than 6. Now let's make the graph for this one too. Okay, this is our 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So all numbers less than 6 are solution for this inequality. This was our 6, and 6 is not the answer. We're gonna do open that. All numbers less than 6 can be solution for this inequality. So we graphed the solution on a number line, and we showed the answers. Let's go to next one, which is 7x is greater than or equal 21. This is like multiplication. We need to do inverse. We divide by 7 both sides. 7 divided 7 is 1, so x was isolated. What we have here, greater than or equal to 21 divided by 7 is 3. Now let's make the line, graph the solution on the number line for this inequality. This is 0. X is greater than or equal to 3. 1, 2, 3. This is our 3. And it says x is greater or equal to. That means 3 also can be the solution. That's why we do close that. We bubbled that. That means 3 also belongs to the answer. And it's greater than, that means all numbers greater than 3 are solutions for this inequality. And the last one we have here is x divided by 3 is less than or equal to 1. We're gonna solve this again as we did one step equality. It's also opposite. We're gonna do inverse. If it's divided by 3, we're gonna multiply both sides by 3. Multiplied by 3. This 3 with this 3 will become 1. 3 divided by 3 is 1. So what we left with? Our x, our variable in this side. And we bring down the inequality sign as it is. It's less than or equal to, and 1 time 3 is 3. So now what we have on the number line, let's graph the solution on a number line. We have here number line. This is our 0. We have number 3 here. Again, 1, 2, 3. In this case, we have all answers are less than or equal to 3. So 3 also is an answer. We bubble it. This is close that. And all answers that are left from 3, because 3 is bigger, it shows. So x is less than or equal. So all x's are in left side, including 3, will be the answer for this inequality. So inequality is a relationship between two values or expressions that are not equal to each other. That means it shows x is less than 3 or equal to, but it's a relationship between these two values. It can have different answers. For this one, let's say 0 is true answer, -1 is true answer, 3 also is a true answer. It's a relationship between two values or expressions. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. We will learn more about inequalities later. Thank you. See you next time.